Your Volkswagen feels lazy. Rough idle, weak pickup, worse mileage. Maybe it hesitates when you press the pedal, shakes at a stoplight, or feels like it's holding back, even though there's no warning light. Before you replace injectors or start throwing parts at it, do this first. In this video, I'm showing you 7 Japanese tricks to clean VW fuel injectors without removing them. No fuel rail removal, no expensive shop machines, and no mechanic-only tools. Just practical, proven methods you can apply step by step to break down deposits and help restore a clean spray pattern. I'll also explain what results to expect as you go, how the idle should change, what better throttle response feels like, and how to tell the difference between dirty injectors and other common VW issues like plugs, coils, vacuum leaks, or a dirty throttle body. If your goal is a smoother idle, stronger pull, and better fuel economy without spending big money, this is the injector cleaning routine you want to see before doing anything else. Trick number 7, the keep it clean finish. Top-tier fuel plus correct cleaner dose plus drive cycle makes results last. Dirty injectors usually don't come from one bad day. They build up slowly from short trips, heat soak, low detergent fuel, and running the tank low. So even if you clean them once, the deposits come right back if you don't lock in the results. This is the Japanese-style maintenance finish that helps your injectors stay clean longer and keeps the spray pattern stable. Here's how to do it the right way. Start with the tank low, not empty, just low enough that what you add actually has the right concentration. Now, use a quality injector cleaner that's safe for direct injection and turbo engines, and follow the label for dosage. Don't overdo it. More isn't better here. The goal is controlled cleaning, not flooding the system with chemicals. Next, fill up with top-tier fuel. The detergent package matters. This is the part most people skip. If you clean injectors and then refill with low detergent fuel, you're basically undoing the work. Good fuel is what keeps the injector tips from loading up again. Now, the most important piece. Run a proper drive cycle, not a 2-minute idle in the driveway. You want the engine fully warm and the injectors working through different loads. Steady cruise, gentle acceleration, a few smooth pulls, not abusive, then cruise again. This helps the cleaner do its job while the injector temps and combustion conditions are actually effective. After that, you should feel the engine settle, idle steadier, throttle response cleaner, and the pull more consistent. And one quick reality check. If your VW has a serviceable fuel filter, some do, some are lifetime depending on model/year, a restricted filter can make injector problems feel worse. If yours is due, replacing it helps the whole system deliver stable pressure. Cleaning works better when fuel supply is healthy. Do this finish properly, and you're not just cleaning injectors once. You're stopping the buildup cycle so the improvement sticks. Trick number 6, the hot soak injector tip clean. Heat, rest, then run, target stubborn deposits. Most injector buildup that causes rough idle and hesitation sits right at the injector tip. The fastest way to loosen that kind of deposit without removing anything is to use heat plus contact time. This method is simple, but it's the difference between "I used cleaner and nothing changed" and "my VW actually runs smoother." Here's the routine. Start by getting the engine fully up to operating temperature. Not warm, not a quick start. Drive it until the temp is stable. Once it's properly hot, let it idle for about 60 to 90 seconds so fuel flow stays consistent and everything is heat-soaked. Now shut the engine off and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. That rest period is the whole point. The injector tips stay hot, and the cleaner in the fuel has time to soften and break down deposits instead of just blasting past them. After the soak, restart the car. It may crank a touch longer than normal or feel slightly uneven for a few seconds. That can be normal as it clears out. Let it settle for a short moment, then take it for a drive and run this pattern. 5 to 7 minutes steady cruise. Keep it smooth. Then a few gentle to moderate accelerations, no need to abuse it. Then cruise again. What you're looking for is a clear change. Idle becomes steadier, throttle response feels cleaner, and that lazy feeling starts to disappear, especially in the low RPM range where dirty injectors feel the worst. Quick safety note: do the soak parked somewhere safe, never in an enclosed space, and don't rev the engine aggressively right after restart. Let it stabilize, then drive normally. This hot soak routine is powerful because it works where the problem actually is, right at the injector tip, where deposits are baked on by heat. Trick number 5, the low tank concentration clean. Let the cleaner actually work. One of the biggest reasons people say injector cleaner doesn't work is simple. It's too diluted. If you pour a bottle into a nearly full tank, the cleaner becomes so weak that it barely touches the deposits. So you drive around expecting a change and nothing happens. This method is about doing the same thing the right way. Start when your fuel level is low, around 1/4 tank or slightly below. Not empty, not on fumes, just low enough that the cleaner mixes at the proper strength. Then add a quality injector cleaner that's safe for modern VW engines, especially turbo and direct injection setups, and follow the dosage on the bottle. Don't overdose it. More doesn't mean better. It just increases risk without improving results. After adding it, don't just idle the car for 2 minutes and call it done. Go for a real drive so treated fuel actually passes through the injectors under normal load. Drive for 20 to 30 minutes, mixing steady cruising with a few smooth accelerations. That combination helps the cleaner circulate properly and work where it matters, at the injector tip and the fuel passages. What you should notice after this, if dirty injectors were part of the issue: smoother idle, cleaner throttle response, less hesitation, more consistent pull at low RPM. This is a simple change, but it's a big one, because it turns injector cleaner from a random guess into a method that actually has a chance to work. Trick number 4, the steady cruise flush. Clean under stable conditions. Injector cleaner doesn't magically fix things in city traffic. In stop-and-go driving, the engine is constantly switching between idle, light throttle, and braking. Fuel flow keeps changing, injector temperature keeps changing, and the cleaner never gets enough consistent contact time to properly soften the deposits. That's why people pour a bottle in, drive around for a day, and still feel the same roughness. So here's how you make injector cleaning actually work. After adding the cleaner, take your Volkswagen to a road where you can drive smoothly. Highway, ring road, open route, anywhere you can maintain a steady pace. Hold a consistent speed for 15 to 25 minutes. Keep the throttle gentle and steady. Don't do hard pulls. Don't keep accelerating and slowing down. And don't sit idling for long periods. You're not trying to push the cleaner through. You're trying to give it stable conditions so it can do its job. This is where the Japanese approach makes sense. Steady operation means steady fuel delivery. The injectors stay in a predictable range, the spray pattern stabilizes, and the cleaner has time to work on the stubborn gunk at the injector tip instead of just rushing through the system. After that steady drive, come back to normal streets and you'll often notice the car feels more settled. It's not instant magic, but it's the first time the engine starts behaving like the fuel is being delivered evenly again. Idle calmer, throttle response cleaner, and acceleration smoother because the injectors aren't fighting deposits the whole time. Trick number 3, The throttle body assist take the stress off the injectors. Dirty injectors don't work alone. On many Volkswagens, a dirty throttle body makes injector problems feel much worse than they really are. When airflow at idle isn't stable, the ECU constantly tries to correct it by adjusting fuel delivery. That extra correction makes rough idle, hesitation, and shaking more noticeable, even if the injectors are only moderately dirty. So this step is about reducing that stress. With the engine off, remove the intake hose and take a look inside the throttle body. Over time, sticky residue and carbon build up right around the throttle plate, especially on cars that do a lot of short trips. Use a throttle body safe cleaner and a clean cloth to gently wipe the inside edge and the plate. You don't need to scrub aggressively. Just remove the buildup that interferes with smooth airflow. Avoid spraying directly into electronics and don't force the throttle plate open. Once everything is back together, start the engine. The idle may be a little higher or slightly uneven at first. That's normal, while the ECU adjusts. Let it run for a short time, then take the car for an easy drive so the system can relearn. This step doesn't clean the injectors directly, but it creates the right conditions for injector cleaning to show results. When airflow is smooth and stable, the injectors don't have to compensate as much. And that's when the engine starts to feel noticeably smoother and more responsive. Trick number 2, the quality fuel reset. Stop feeding the problem. A lot of injector buildup doesn't come from bad luck. It comes from what the engine is fed every day. Low detergent fuel slowly leaves deposits behind, especially in turbo and direct injection VW engines, where heat is higher. If you clean injectors but keep using poor quality fuel, the improvement fades quickly and the symptoms come right back. This step is about resetting the baseline. Run the tank down to a normal low level, then refill with high detergent top-tier fuel. This isn't about using higher octane than your engine needs. It's about the detergent package that helps keep injector tips and fuel passages clean while you drive. Good fuel supports the cleaning process instead of working against it. After refueling, just drive the car normally. Over the next trips, the engine often starts to feel more consistent, idle steadier, throttle response smoother, and less of that uneven feeling at low speeds. It's subtle but important. This step works best when combined with the other cleaning methods because it helps maintain the progress you're making instead of undoing it. Think of it as stopping the source of the buildup so the cleaning you're doing actually lasts. Trick number 1, the baseline check. Make sure you're fixing the right problem. Before you clean anything, make sure you're actually chasing the right problem. On Volkswagens, dirty injectors can cause rough idle, hesitation, weak pickup, and poor mileage, but those exact symptoms can also come from something simple like a small vacuum leak, worn spark plugs, a weak coil, or even a dirty throttle body. If one of those is the real issue, injector cleaning won't feel like it worked, even if the injectors needed attention too. So take a few minutes and do a quick baseline check. Pop the hood and look at the intake system. Make sure every hose and clamp is seated properly, especially around the intake tube, PCV lines, and any small vacuum connections. A tiny leak can make the engine run lean and shaky, and it'll imitate injector problems perfectly. Start the engine and listen closely at idle. A faint hissing sound can be a clue. Next, think about maintenance. If your plugs are overdue, or you've ever had a coil problem on this car, note it. Ignition issues are the #1 thing that gets mistaken for injector failure. If you have a basic scan tool, check for pending codes. Misfire counters, lean codes, or fuel trim numbers can quickly tell you if the engine is struggling with mixture or spark. The point of this step is simple. Don't clean injectors blindly. When the basics are checked, you know you're not wasting time, and you'll be able to feel the results clearly as you go through the cleaning process. This is what turns the whole video from "let's try something" into an actual professional diagnosis-first approach. If your Volkswagen feels smoother now, pulls cleaner, or just feels more awake than it did before, that's exactly what we're aiming for. Most injector problems aren't failures, they're buildup, and once you deal with that properly, the car can feel completely different. If this helped you, save this routine, come back to it every few months, and don't wait until the car starts running badly again. Preventive maintenance is always cheaper than repairs. And if you want more simple, honest fixes like this for Volkswagen and everyday cars, no overcomplication, no unnecessary parts, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I post real-world solutions that actually work, so you can keep your car running right without wasting time or money. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.